In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Cheesecake Factory gift card balance. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser on your device. This could be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any other browser you prefer. Once you have your browser open, head to the search bar, type in Cheesecake Factory and hit enter. This search will bring up the most relevant results for the Cheesecake Factory's official website. It's important to use a reputable search engine to ensure you land on the correct page. Now, look through the search results and open the correct link. You're looking for the official Cheesecake Factory website. Typically, this link will be one of the first few results on the page. Make sure it has the URL that ends with cheesecakefactory.com. This ensures you're on the official site and not a third-party page, which might not be secure. Once you find it, go ahead and click on the link to open the site. With the Cheesecake Factory website open, navigate to the top of the page. Here you should see a navigation bar with various options. Click on the gift cards section. This section is your gateway to managing anything related to gift cards at the Cheesecake Factory, from purchasing to checking balances. It's always located on the top of the site for easy access. Next up, within the gift card section, you'll find an option that says Check Gift Card Balance. Go ahead and click on this option. This is where you'll be able to input your gift card details to find out how much you have left to spend. This step is crucial as it directs you to the specific page where your card information will be processed. At this point, you should see fields asking for your card number and PIN. Carefully enter your card number into the first field, then proceed to enter your PIN in the next field. These numbers can typically be found on the back of your gift card. Make sure to input them accurately, as any errors might prevent you from successfully checking your balance. Remember, this information is sensitive, so double-check your entries before proceeding. After entering your card details, click on the button that says Check Balance. This action will prompt the system to retrieve and display your current gift card balance. You will see a confirmation appear with your remaining balance. This step is simple, but it's the moment where all your previous actions come together to provide you with the information you need. And there you have it. You've successfully checked your Cheesecake Factory gift card balance. This process is quick and user-friendly, ensuring you always know how much you have left to enjoy your next delicious meal. Checking your balance regularly helps you plan your visits better and ensures you're never caught off guard at the restaurant. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. Enjoy your next meal at the Cheesecake Factory with the confidence of knowing your balance. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Have a great day.